Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video I am going to provide you coupon code for Ali Dropship. As you know, Ali Dropship provides different products like, as you can see here, custom stores, and hosting services, add-on services, plugins. So as you can see, there are plenty of services which you can use according to your need. But for today's video I am going to provide you coupon code for plugins like Ali Dropship plugin and Ali Dropship U plugin. And I have already provided a coupon code for custom stores and premium stores. So you can check out those videos. Though that videos are available on my YouTube channel, and I will also add a link of those videos in my description box. Okay, without wasting much time, let's move towards our video. And guys, before moving towards video, I wanted to add one thing. Guys, you have to follow each and every step strictly, so that the coupon code which I'm going to show you, that will work fine. If you will not follow all those steps strictly, then coupon code will not work. Then you will complain like coupon code is not working. Okay, you have to follow each and every step completely and strictly, guys. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's move towards our video. So first and important step is, guys, you have to come to this page, and by clicking on the link which I have given in my description box. You have to, it is important and necessary steps. You have to click on the link which I have given in description box, and then you have to come to this page. And because to avail this offer, like, you will get 10% extra discount, and also this coupon code which I am going to provide you, that coupon code will work fine, because the coupon code which I am going to show you in this video, that will link with that link. That will connected with that link. So if you don't, if you will not come from that link, then the coupon code I am going to provide you, you will not able to receive those discounts. So this is important step, guys, and I will also pin these links in my comment box, so you can click over there. Okay, so after coming to this page, you have to simply click on this buy plugin, and guys, you can simply click from here also. The coupon code which I am going to show you, those coupon code will work fine for these two plugins, like Ali Dropship plugin and Ali Dropship U plugin. So you can simply click on any one here, and the coupon code I am going to show you, then you can simply apply over there. Okay, so let's say click on this one, buy plugin. After that, you have to simply click on this buy now for only $89. Okay, guys, so after that you will see an option like this one. So as you can see, your option like have a coupon code, and you have to simply click this redeem it here button, and the coupon code which you have to use is get plugin 25. Get plugin 25. Okay, so this is coupon code, guys, which you have to use GETPLUGIN 25. This is your coupon code. So after typing this coupon code, let's click on this one. Like, as you can see, your initial price is $89. So let's see how much this price has been reduced. Okay, guys, so as you can see here, like here now, our current price is $66. You have saved $22, which is quite great. Okay, and the coupon code, this is a high discountable providing coupon code available in the market. So you don't need to worry. You can simply apply it, and you can complete your orders. Like, there are no any other coupon code available which will provide you a greater discount rather than this. So you can simply, this is valid and high discountable coupon code, so you can simply apply this one. Okay, to work this coupon code, you have to simply follow first step importantly. You have to click the link which I have given in description box, then you have to come to this page, and after that you have to simply follow all the steps which I have shown you. Okay, so then this coupon code will work, otherwise this code will not work, and then you will complain like the coupon code is not working. So if you come from that link, I guarantee, guys, the coupon code will work 101%, guys. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. You simply have to come from that link, and this coupon code is work for those. Both plugins like O plugin and normal plugin also. So you have to simply use this coupon code to avail these discounts. Okay, guys. So the main motive of this video is to provide you a coupon code like to save your money. So I think, and I'm not going to purchase you like purchase for you. So like as you can see here, you have to simply provide your email address, and here you have to provide your comment, which is optional. If you want it, you can add there. And here you have to provide your card details, and after that you have to simply click on this complete order. Then you will receive a confirmation email on your email ID which you have provided, and after that you can use your plugins into our store, into your store. Okay, so guys, and I before ending this video, I wanted to tell you like guys, in my you can visit my channel also, because there are plenty of platforms for which I have provided coupon codes. So I think those coupon codes will help you a lot. So please come to my channel, visit my channel, and if you find anything helpful, then it will be great for me. Okay, guys. So without wasting much time, let's end this video. So let's meet in the new video, guys. So for today's video, take care, bye bye, and take care.